Airva's product is basically technology that allows you to have interactive digital signage at scale. So we can do that with one display and one handset, or 10,000 displays and handsets that everybody carries. The hardest thing about being an entrepreneur is to have the right mindset. And what I mean by that is it's a yo-yo, it's a roller coaster. If you cannot take that, it's very easy to say, well, it's not going to happen. Perseverance is another word for it, is critical. So really, if you think about it, the finance issues, recruiting issues, and all of that, those are almost tactical. The whole strategic stuff is in your brain. And also, after you have that down, as an entrepreneur, you're really playing the cheerleader's role. Yeah, we funded Airva really by two means. Initially, pre-product, pre-revenue, it was myself. And again, there too, the mindset from the previous question is important, because if you don't have the conviction, is this throwing away good money, but we had enough belief to say that if we just got this product out, there's demand, and let's go get customer dollars. So effectively, we sold the product and are bootstrapping this. What made me an entrepreneur? Okay, well, having been a engineer and having done a lot of advanced development, product development in large companies, and seeing how much friction there is and all kinds of funniness, despite the fact that the product wasn't even evaluated in the marketplace, that frustration led me to my first venture, really, to bring internet to Nepal in '94. I loved it, but I had no business degree or training or anything like that. And then joined Verse, and at that juncture I decided I'm not going to go back to a large company.